Hi guys, this is Vijay. Again, came back with short video. Today, we are going to discuss the main application is Guide. Originally, the Guide AI application can be used to record the training material or video documentation and so on. For example, today I am describing the workflow how to generate AI images using Microsoft Copilot. And we are going to discuss one more thing is guide application can be used as a free user also and also for paid version also. For free user there are only limited steps. Whatever it may be, let's dive into the topic. Here you see, just a moment, I will show how it is. Yeah, this is the workflow how to generate images using Microsoft Designer. But this application workflow is designed using Guide application. Okay, then you see how cool it is, guys. And finally, here if you don't need text, we will delete the text and then click on download. Click on download, then